SYF-12 wet wipes production line. It is one of our most popular wet wipes production equipment. Can be used to produce baby wipes, makeup wipes, cleansing wipes, and other wet wipes. Today, we're excited to take you on a journey through the features of this high-performance wet wipes making machine. Wet wipes converting and folding system. The heart of the SYF-12 lies in its precision wet wipes converting and folding system. Our SYF-12 is equipped with 3 material shafts, each boasting 12 axes. That's one axis for 2 non-woven fabric raw material rolls. What does that mean for you? A seamless operation with automatic material switching, eliminating the need to stop the machine during materials changes. Quantitative humidification system. The 12 wetting tubs make certain that each layer of your wet wipes is perfectly moist. The quantitative wetting control guarantees consistency in every wipe. Cutting, stacking, and counting. A cutting system expertly separates wipes into individual units, preparing them for stacking and counting. Accuracy and efficiency are at the core of our design. Packaging system. Our fully automatic packaging machine ensures rapid and flawless packaging. With 2 film rolls and 2 label rolls, one running while the other serves as a backup, your production line experiences uninterrupted workflow. Robot plastic lid applicator. Say goodbye to manual lid application. The fully automatic robot lid applicator seamlessly adds flip-top lids to your packaging bags, adding that extra touch of convenience and professionalism. Continuous operation. Our automatic switching system and backup mechanisms keep your production line running smoothly, even during material changes. Uninterrupted operation means increased productivity for your business. Invest in innovation. Elevate your production. Choose SYF-12 wet wipes making machine. Contact us today to revolutionize your wet wipes manufacturing process.